Ladies and gentlemen, imagine if you will that the year is 1814 and this nation is at war. You're on board a ship sailing toward the enemy fleet. That same enemy that just burnt your nation's capital to the ground. Your mission is to win the release of a prisoner of war, a respected physician, and your friend. You board the British flagship, and after intense negotiations, they agree to release your friend. However, you all remain captive because of the battle that is about to take place. On the morning of 13 September 1814, the British fleet began a bombardment against your homeland, the likes of which have never been seen before. Rocket after rocket, cannonball after cannonball. For 25 hours they pound on. But through the night, you're able to look toward the shore and you can still see the stars and stripes flying in the breeze. And in the morning, the bombardment ends and there is silence. And as the sun comes up over the horizon, you're able to look toward the shore and you can see that the troops of Fort McHenry have raised an American flag that is so large and so grand that each of its 15 stars and stripes measure 2 feet across. A flag that is so magnificent, it cries out, "This is the United States of America, and we will never surrender." You are so moved by this show of guts and resolve, you write the following song. Your name, Francis Scott Key. Ladies and gentlemen, this is your national anthem. Oh, say can you see by the dawn's early light what so proudly we hailed at the twilight last gleaming, whose broad stripes and bright stars through the perilous fight o'er the ramparts we watched, were so gallantly streaming, and the rockets' red glare, the bombs bursting in air, gave proof through the night that our flag was still there. Oh, say does that star-spangled banner yet wave o'er the land of the free and the home of the brave. This is for a special young lady standing right about here. Oh, in Killarney, many years ago, me mother sang a song to me in tones so sweet and low. Just a simple little ditty in her good old Irish way, and I'd give the world if she could sing that song to me today. That's an Irish lullaby. Often dreams I've wandered, oh, that caught again. I feel her arms a-hugging me as when she held me then. and I hear her voice humming to me as in days of yore, when she used to rock me fast asleep behind that cabin door. Dora, 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 now don't cry. Dora, 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 Now, obviously, I take the greatest pride in my service in the United States Marine Corps. However, I know that many people here either have served, have had family members who have served, have lost somebody who has served. Unfortunately, I can't see you right now because of the lights, but I'm going to offer you each of the service hymns. It's going to be Merchant Marines, those men who are long forgotten until an act of Congress in 1988 ordered that they will also be recognized as veterans. The men and women of the United States Coast Guard, Semper Paratus, always ready, who not only guard our shores, but who are also deployed to combat venues. The United States Army, first to fight. The United States Navy, the iconic Anchors Away. If you served in the United States Air Force or way back when in the Army Air Corps, it was Wild Blue Yonder. And then, of course, the United States Marine Corps hymn. You guys ready? My lads, heave ho! It's a long, long way to go. It's a long, long pull with the hatches full, braving the wind and braving the sea, fighting a treacherous foe. Heave ho, my lads, heave ho! Though the seas blow high and low, we can cross any ocean, sail any river. Give us the goods and we'll deliver down the submarines. We're the men of the Merchant Marine. Coast Guard. Anybody from the Coast Guard? Here we go. We're always ready for the call. Oh, we place our trust in thee. Through howling gale and shock and shell, to win our victory. A Semper Paratus is our guide, our pledge and motto too. We're always ready to or die. I Coast Guard, we fight for you, Army. Fight for the right and to build a nation's might, and the Army goes rolling along. Proud of all we have done, the fight until the battle's won, and the Army goes rolling along. Accordance high, high, hey, the Army's on its way. Call off your cadence out and strong, 2, 3. For wherever we go, you will always know that the Army goes rolling along. Anchors aweigh, my boys, anchors aweigh. Farewell to college joys, we sail at break of day. Oh, our last night on shore, hail to the foe. Until we meet once more, here's wishing you a happy voyage home. Off we go into the wild blue yonder, flying high into the sun. Put every time, spot your flames from under, and tomorrow, give them the gun. We go, assuming to meet our thunder up in mud, hell of a roar. We live in fame, or down in flame. Nothing can stop the U.S. Air Force. From the holes of Montezuma to the shores of Tripoli, we will fight our country's battles in the air, on land and the sea. Up first to fight for right and freedom, and to keep our honor clean. Oh, we are proud to claim the title of United States Marines. Hurrah! And for all of those who you wish were with you this holiday season. Tiny boy, the pipes, the pipes are calling from land to land and down the summer's cold, and all of the roses it's you, it's you. But come ye back when the summer's in the meadow, nor when the valley's hushed and white with snow. 'Tis I'll be in the sunshine, putting oh, tiny boy,